Hi everybody. There's one thing that has changed my approach to everyday living, people and the future more than anything else in the last few years, and that's reading my good friend John Berg's book Imagine Heaven. Sarah first read it and she said, "Julian, you have to read this book." And then my son read it, and my daughter read it, and Rachel read it, and they just went on and on and on and on about it until eventually I got round to reading it. And having read it, I found it transformational. And nearly everybody in our church has read it, and it has been a top favourite because of the impact it has upon their lives, not just for the future, but for the here and now. And I'm so excited that John has agreed to speak to the New Wine Cymru Regents together on Wednesday night at 7:30. And if you haven't registered yet for this event, please do join in, encourage your church members to, because this is a great opportunity to hear about the background and the book, and John's going to be speaking to us, we're going to have some conversations, and it is going to be a fabulous evening. So join us 7:30 this Wednesday, register at the New Wine Cymru website, and we look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day.